You ever wake up already tired of your own life? Pressure, missed goals, fake smiles, and somehow you still gotta keep going. This is week 1. I wanted to wake up at 7, but I opened my eyes at 11. My body was exhausted. My mind was heavy. $32,000 in debt. Credit cards maxed out. Credit cards maxed out. Interest growing every single day. Phone calls, messages. Pressure from every direction, and the worst part, nobody really understands what's happening inside your head. I called my parents today. I smiled, I acted normal, because sometimes you can't tell everybody what you're going through. Some pain. So I went outside, started walking. Thinking about my future, thinking about the man I need to become. Then I tried to run, and honestly, I couldn't even run properly. My legs hurt, my breathing was weak, my body felt broken. But while I was running, I realized something. The goal isn't to look powerful on day one. The goal is to refuse to quit, because every strong man you admire today started as somebody weak, lost, broke, confused, but they kept showing up. That's what changes everything. One day, one day. One run, one painful step at a time. Right now, I'm rebuilding my life from the ground up. And maybe today doesn't look impressive, but this is how transformation starts, quietly.